Hello and welcome to Oratio. This is Exploring the Cryptoland. Exploring the Cryptoland focuses on identifying little known cryptocurrency projects and to present them to you for you to make the best decisions out of them. The projects that we are presenting here, we believe are solving real world problems and providing services that people would pay for and enjoy the services. Now, most of these projects, of course, they are blockchain based projects, so it is about taking the current centralized industries and putting them on the blockchain and taking authority out of a few individuals and giving that authority back to the community or to the people in a decentralized, trustless manner. If that sort of thing interests you, identifying little known cryptocurrency projects and investing in them, or hearing about or just learning about them, if those sort of things interest you, a like and a subscription to this channel will be of an immense help, and it will help this channel grow quicker and reach more people, providing them informations that are of vital importance to you. The coin that we are presenting to you today is a little known cryptocurrency project called the Siacoin. Now, Siacoin has been in existence for quite some time now. In this video, we are going to tell you the problems that Siacoin is trying to solve, how they are solving it, and how you can benefit from them. Okay. Now, this project is solving what we call decentralized storage system. Now, think about it this way: Google Drive and other storage systems out there that we use today. If you're running a website and if you are even storing your own files that are important, company files and all sort of things, sometimes they require expensive hardware if you want to do it on premise. If you don't want to do it on premise and you want to use the cloud services that are available, it requires you trusting a centralized third party like Amazon, Google Drive and the likes to store your data for you. Now, because these particular centralized server farms or these particular storage systems are centralized in a way, they're a good motivation for any hacker to get into the system and try to get some of this valuable information. That aside, you are also having to trust these centralized entities. What is the assurance that these centralized entities are not decrypting your files and reading or having access to all the important company secrets or informations that you need to store safely away? Siacoin comes in creating a blockchain to be able to share our own use hard disk space to the Sia decentralized blockchain network. So your hard disk space, another person's hard disk space, this person's hard disk space together can form huge amount of data storage networks across the world. Sia is increasing in storage space capacity as time goes on. At the moment, a lot of companies are taking advantage of the Sia ecosystem, investing in it and storing their files on them. There are companies that are building on top of Sia. The Sia blockchain is sort of like the framework. So companies can come in and build storage systems or storage applications on the Sia blockchain seamlessly. Like you could have an app like Google Drive, an alternative form of it that is using Sia at its back end, and you wouldn't even have to know that you're accessing the Sia network. The Sia blockchain encrypts your file and distribute them into several parts to different storage systems across the globe. But the question you may be asking is, okay, so if I am storing my file on a particular decentralized storage, maybe one host somewhere, and his PC crashes or he disconnects from the internet, how do I get my file? Sia solves this problem by splitting your file into several forms and storing them in different locations in the world. Now, this type of storing makes it easy for you to retrieve or even recombine your file should one host disappear from the network or not. So the system is designed to be redundant and provides more technical importance for you. Now, to get more into the technicals, I will leave a link in the description of an article that we've written, in-depth article that will tell you and describe the technicalities involved in how Sia actually operates under the hood. We believe that this coin is in for a huge gain. Now, when you go to the Sia subreddit, one major problem that we have with Sia is that they put very little effort on marketing. Okay, so the team is focused on building the core project. So competitors like Filecoin and the rest are having much higher price in the cryptocurrency market. However, if you look at technology wise, you realize that Sia is way ahead and more advanced than the competition. Unfortunately, though, Sia doesn't have that much coverage. It doesn't focus on marketing as much as you would want it to. This creates a lot of problem because this creates the impression as if Sia is not doing anything. But if you compare the technology involved, you realize that Sia is miles ahead in the decentralized storage platform industry. At this point, the price of Siacoin is a few cents. You could go in there and grab it and make some money out of it. That aside, you can benefit from Sia by hosting using your unused storage or your hard drive that is available to you on your current system or any other system that you have to provide rental services. Now, when you provide these rental services, others on the same blockchain, Sia blockchain, will pay you in Siacoin to host their files or to store their files on your platform, which is a win-win. You provide a decentralized encrypted information. You will not be able to see the information that is put in there, that because of the way the blockchain works, it's encrypted by default. The other party is assured that his data is secured on the internet and there is no single hack that is going to take his data offline. If you have a need to actually also store files in a decentralized manner or in a more secured manner, it will be advisable to use the Sia blockchain to store your files compared to using the centralized systems that exist today. Centralization creates a lot of problems, and as blockchains begin to develop and solving real world applications like what Sia is doing, taking the storage industry, the cloud storage industry, and decentralizing it, we are going to see more and more useful applications all over the place. However, it's going to take time and effort. So if you are going to go into Sia, don't go in it looking for a quick buck. Although we expect that Sia will rise dramatically or astronomically as more and more people get involved to know the Sia network and to benefit from it. If you like the content of this video or you disagree or agree with our decision that Siacoin is a little known coin that is going to take the internet by storm and going to increase in huge value and utility, let us know in the comment section. If you are holding Sia already, let us know. If you are hosting or renting on Siacoin, let us know in the comments. Thank you very much, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and help this channel grow. Thank you so much. And as usual, Horatio out. Cheers.